Can you help the environment and put a nice chunk of change back into your own pocket while buying a sleek new electric appliance like an induction range or range top? The federal government's Inflation Reduction Act may allow you to do just that, especially if you're replacing an old gas appliance with induction or even, in some cases, traditional electric. This piece of legislation, which was recently passed, includes rebates and tax credits for big-ticket items like electric vehicles and heat pumps, as well as electric appliances. We're going to focus on appliances in this post because we are LUXX Kitchen and Bath and we sell kitchen appliances. If you qualify for the full rebate, depending on which state you live in, you may be able to buy a top-rated electric or induction range, or even a wall oven, or all three, for just a few $100s. There's going to be $4.5 billion worth of federal funding. This is going to be distributed to the individual states. Each state will be able to provide rebates or tax credits for the purchase of new electric appliances. Now remember, each individual state will determine how to use those funds, or even if they decide to use them at all. So it does depend on where you live. But the states will have to stick to certain parameters regarding income requirements, and also there will be a cap on individual rebates. So I just want you to remember this is state by state. What goes here in Idaho where I am may not go where you are. So just as an example, depending on your income level, it might be possible to qualify for a rebate of up to $840 on a new electric cooking appliance, and up to an additional $500 to help cover the costs of converting from natural gas or propane to electric. And that conversion money, that's really important. It can be very helpful, especially if you're buying induction appliances, because some homes, many homes, will require an upgraded electrical system to accommodate an induction appliance. So if you do need to upgrade your home's electrical panel in order to use an electric range, or for that matter, any other electric appliance upgrade covered by the Act, you could get a nice tax credit of up to $4,000, which is a lot of money, for that expense as well. And for a lot of people, that will be very, very helpful when they are buying induction, because having to change out your electrical panel is not cheap. So that's a very nice incentive to buy induction. Keep in mind that the individual states will decide who qualifies and how much they'll receive, and whether it's going to be in the form of an actual rebate or just a tax credit. Now, some consumers are asking, if they upgrade from an old electric appliance to a new electrical appliance, whether it's induction or just a regular standard electrical range, will that allow them to claim a rebate? Well, as I already said, the answer is going to be, it depends on your state. States will have the power to limit the program to only those changing from gas to electric appliances. I suspect it's going to depend on how many people are trading out their old appliances in that particular state. So to check out your own state's program, go to this link. That's www.dsireusa.org. Keep in mind, this is new. Many states' programs aren't yet up and running. So you're going to want to check back from time to time. If you don't see your own state's program listed in the link right now, just keep checking. Here in Idaho, the program is not up yet. Once the program in your state is underway, you'll be able to find information in the link that I just gave on how to apply for your rebate or tax credit. Now, this is really important. Keep all your paperwork. Anything related to the purchase and or installation of qualifying appliances, or to any home upgrades made to accommodate those appliances. If you lose that paperwork, you're out of luck, so you'll need all those receipts. You'll also need to fill out an application as per your state's guidelines, and again, that's going to be in the link that I gave above. So the whole purpose of the program is to incentivize consumers to replace gas-burning appliances with electric. So gas-burning appliances do release methane into the environment. The amount released in the US is roughly equal to about 500,000 cars a year. Induction ranges and cooktops are especially energy efficient options. So if you do buy induction, you'll eventually see some savings in your electricity bill, more than you would from an electric glass top range. And induction ranges and cooktops are very high performance appliances. They're very modern nowadays. They give gas cooking a real run for its money, and a lot of chefs are changing over to induction because induction is just a great choice. This could be a good time to shop for induction and other new electric appliances. You could upgrade your kitchen, improve your cooking experience, and save money all in one go. So what's to complain about? Here at LUXX Kitchen and Bath in Boise, we have beautiful induction ranges and range tops by Fulgor Milano and by AGA. You can check out our website at www.luxkitchenandbath.com or stop by our showroom in Boise for a demonstration.